Christy! What? One, two, three. What? Boom. Bubu. Hagwa ni mo si Mami. Tama cincin. Tama cincin.
After the break, Jonathan set a good example for her children by transforming their playroom into an eco-friendly space when open house returns.
Come, come. Wait, wait.
Jonathan Redford comes to the aid of homeowner Marnie and helps her redesign her children's playroom into an eco-kid-friendly environment.